This is the perfect weather for creativity, for well-being, and just for rational thinking and rational behavior, because it's pretty cold, it's freezing, and this is one of my favorite weathers. So I'm gonna give you tips on how you can just become more creative in this weather and just be more productive, and don't succumb to the weather into being lazy and just not doing what you gotta do. This is what we're talking about today, so keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your self-help channel, and I am your self-help coach, Margaret Yumi. And today I just want to give you the benefits of this weather so that you make it and just use it for your own good and just be more productive and just do what you gotta do despite it being freezing out there. Okay, and number one is that because it is a weather where it's a long night and it's a short day. Days are ending so fast, and then the nights are taking long. It's taking long for it to be morning. What you can do, because most of the time you find yourself not being able to sleep the whole night because it's just too long, what you can do is download audiobooks for yourself and make sure they're playing while you're sleeping. Okay, it's important to play something when you're sleeping. I do that all the time, but this weather, because it's just like too long of a night, you can be listening to it, and when you wake up, you find yourself, you're going to tap one or two sensible things, you go back to sleep, or you wake up and just your mind is awake and your mind is tapping into some things, and you're learning while you are asleep, right? It is very beneficial because you're comfortable, you're warm, and still you're learning. So that's the thing to do. Number two is that you can be meditating. Now, again, I would say download some plain piano, soft music where you can meditate. It helps you become more of a thinker, and a deep thinker, a profound thinker at that. You're going to be unleashing your creativity because you are warm, you are indoors, and you are thinking, okay? Don't just waste your time with movies and with cartoons and with, I don't know what you do when you're indoors, video games maybe, but also utilize it for doing something sensible, like something productive, something that can benefit your future, like meditation. Meditation is good. And take it, you're warm, you're thinking of ideas, write down your thoughts and just meditate more in this weather. Number three is cold showers. Now, yes, maybe kind of ridiculous because it's freezing and I'm telling you to do cold showers, maybe something that I wouldn't normally do. Yes, but it is really important because when you get into a cold shower, you bath cold water, it's just going to help you stimulate more creativity in your brain, especially in your head, and you're going to be more active. You're prone to be more active as compared to when you do hot showers. So in as much as it is cold, it's going to be uncomfortable initially, but when you bath cold water, it's just going to transform your life, because your whole day is going to be productive. You're going to be hyperactive and you're not going to be feeling as cold. Okay, these things are going to help you just go through this weather and overcome this freezing moment of our time, and you're going to come out of it productive and creative and a better person. Because why? You read books, you listened to audiobooks, you meditated despite the weather, and you took cold showers. Guys, I hope I made sense, and if I did, please do give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you are new to this channel for more self-help videos like this one. This has been your self-help coach, Margaret Yumi. Bye for now.